Hi everybody, this is Agnes from Sediment, and today we're going to talk about one of the greatest red grape varieties of Spain, Tempranillo. If you, just like me, are in love with Spanish red wines, chances are great that you are also in love with Tempranillo grape variety. It is grown in almost every winemaking region of Spain, and it is responsible for some of the greatest Spanish red wines, without a doubt. Check your bottle of Spanish red wine. What grape variety is listed on the back label? But it does not say Tempranillo. No, it doesn't. It actually says Tinta del Toro, Tinta del País, Tinta del Fina, Sensibel, or Huile de Libre. Tempranillo has great historic importance in Pyrenean Peninsula and has been grown widely here. Therefore, it has developed slightly different in each winemaking region. We might call them clones, and they have also received different names over the time. But nonetheless, it is still a Tempranillo. It is also widely grown in Portugal under the names of Tinta Roriz and Aragonés. Winemakers will say that a wide range of styles can be made from Tempranillo grape variety, from expressively fruity, lightly colored red wines with smooth tannins and balanced acidity, to highly concentrated, rich and full-bodied red wines with chalky, almost grippy tannins and firm acidity intended for long cellaring. One of the best-known Spanish winemaking regions, Rioja, is also widely associated with Tempranillo grape variety. Here, it can be made as a single grape variety or blended with other native grapes of Spain, such as Garnacha Tinta and Graciano. In Rioja, probably more than in any other Spanish winemaking region, great emphasis is put on the wine aging, as often also seen on the labels, by terms such as crianza, reserva, and gran reserva. These labeling terms control the minimum aging of wine in small oak barrels, often old and often American origin. Tempranillo from Rioja tends to be medium in body, with moderate, smooth tannins and often showing flavors of savory red fruits such as cherry and plum. Some of the greatest and oftentimes highly priced Tempranillos one can find in region Rivera del Duero. Here Tempranillo is found under its synonym Tinta del País. Wines of Rivera del Duero tend to show higher concentration, deeper color, and riper fruit profile. They might also develop elevated, often chalky tannins. Tempranillo from this region will usually be fuller in body and richer than the wines from Rioja. They will also show more elevated alcohol levels. Torto is another winemaking region of Spain that is highly associated with Tempranillo grape variety. Here its synonym is Tinta del Toro. While some wine professionals say that here Tempranillo will show its more rustic side, the best examples will be very similar in style to those of Rivera del Duero, showing concentration, depth, and complexity. The bright side here is that most wines will not dictate as high prices as the ones in Rivera del Duero. Tempranillo can also be very versatile when it comes to food. Prepare lamb in any kind of way and you will find Tempranillo that matches it. My home country is famous with smoking food. I mean, we smoke everything. And Tempranillo with its savory, oftentimes earthy characters is perfect for smoked food. For smoked duck, I would look for Rioja, while for smoked deer fillet, I would look for Rivera del Duero. I hope you liked my video. Make sure to watch my other videos on different grape varieties, such as this one, Syrah.